the circulation of water in the earth. Water is vital to human health. Wherever it is, it ends up where it started. Sky to the ground, it's the water cycle. Because it's water precipitating snow and rain falling out of the sky.
Because it's water infiltration, water running straight through the soil, oh my.
Because it's water runoff is the draining away of water from the land in July.
Because it's water percolation, water slowly going into the rock underlie.
Here comes the rain dropping here and there. Yeah, it's evaporating and condensating. Yeah, turning into a solid, liquid, or a gas. Yeah, no offense to you, here's how it goes. Here's how.
Because it's water respiration, animals release water into the air.
Because it's water transpiration, water's movement through the trees and the plants.
Because it's water, groundwater movement, caves, streams, and water in the ground.
Because it's water, that's the end of the incredible water cycle.
Coming from the sky, rain brings it down. Coming from the sky, straight to the ground. Coming from the sky, snow brings it down. Coming from the sky, straight to the ground. Coming from the sky, sleet brings it down. Coming from the sky, straight to the ground. Coming from the sky, hail brings it down. Coming from the sky, straight to the ground.